ChunkyFarmhouse.com. This is a continuation of a table that we did last week. It's all dried now, and if you have a look on there, it's quite smooth and clean. We're now going to do the bottom half. This is just a lacquer spray. I'll only get one coat for this. Don't need more than one. It's just to make it a little bit more attractive to the customer. Table's made out of solid pine. It's been sanded down on the top to 500 gram. The bottom is up to 240. You can't go much more because if you do, it's too sealed and it's difficult to clean off or to take. It's not porous at all if it's too sanded up.
Lift guards on and kick them to the side.
Do what?
Lift up. Kick the up to the side.
It's the base done. Now we're going to do another coat on the top. It's already had two, and now it's going to get its third. These are going to be available on ChunkyFarmhouse.com. Chunky Farmhouse shop in Amazon, and also eBay. Will be on eBay, which is monopolibay.com. We are considering putting them on Etsy, but we haven't decided what to do with it yet. First of all, he's sanding it down. Well, he's wiping off the top, all the bits of gunk and stuff on top, and then he'll go back over it with the spray gun. Quick wipe down, and then wipe the dust off. This is going to be its final coat, and tomorrow morning after it's dried it'll look like glass. We don't do this in the afternoon, probably because the table's too big for the paint room, so we've got to do it in here, in the main room. So it puts the room out of action for the rest of the day, so basically we do this and then it's time to finish. and leave it overnight to dry. They'll just in the room overnight, so tomorrow it should be rock hard and mirror-like. It actually dries quite quickly, but we'll leave it overnight. Leave a quick primer coat. The lacquer that we use is actually full pack lacquer. It's solvent based. It's quite toxic, that's why he's wearing a mask. And there you go. So if you want one, please visit chunkyfarmhouse.com and see other products that we've got. If you can like and share this, it would be great, and subscribe if you've got that on our board. TikTok. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.